Tixu AI is an exceptionally powerful, well-designed, and intelligently built AI platform that truly delivers a premium experience for users who want efficiency, creativity, and reliability all in one place. From the very first interaction, it becomes clear that Tixu AI has been crafted with a deep understanding of user needs, offering a smooth, modern, and intuitive interface that makes navigation effortless even for first-time users. The platform removes unnecessary complexity and replaces it with clarity, allowing users to focus entirely on productivity rather than setup or learning curves. One of the most impressive aspects of Tixu AI is the consistency and quality of its AI-generated output, which feels refined, relevant, and thoughtfully structured rather than robotic or generic. Whether it is used for content creation, idea development, workflow automation, analysis, or strategic planning, the results are accurate, context-aware, and aligned with professional standards. The speed at which Tixu AI processes requests is another major advantage, delivering fast responses without compromising depth or quality, which makes it ideal for individuals and businesses operating under tight deadlines. The flexibility of the platform is also highly commendable, as it adapts seamlessly to different industries, creative goals, and use cases, making it valuable for marketers, entrepreneurs, creators, researchers, and teams alike. Tixu AI feels like a tool that grows with the user, supporting both simple tasks and more advanced requirements with equal confidence. The attention to detail in feature design reflects a strong commitment to user satisfaction, ensuring that every interaction feels purposeful and productive. Additionally, the platform's reliability builds trust, as it performs consistently well across sessions, reinforcing confidence in its long-term usability. Tixu AI also stands out for its forward-thinking approach, continuously aligning itself with evolving AI trends while maintaining usability and accessibility. Instead of overwhelming users with excessive options, it strikes a perfect balance between power and simplicity, which is rare in AI platforms today. The overall experience feels professional, polished, and efficient, saving users valuable time and mental effort while enhancing output quality. In practical use, Tixu AI becomes more than just a digital tool. It acts as a dependable productivity partner that helps users think faster, work smarter, and achieve better results with ease. Its ability to simplify complex tasks while maintaining high standards makes it a standout choice in the crowded AI space. Overall, Tixu AI is a highly impressive, versatile, and user-centric platform that delivers real value, long-term benefits, and a consistently satisfying experience, making it strongly recommended for anyone looking to leverage AI in a smart, effective, and impactful way.